Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is my Intex pool, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it because I had to put it on a hill, a small hill, and I got it leveled out pretty good. So this is what I did. So basically, if you can see, it's on a slight hill, so it's kind of going down that way. So basically what I had to do is I left all of these on the ground. I got everything set up and I ran a string line from here to here to get it level in the center. So basically what I had to start doing is I had these RV blocks and I braced them up and I put some camping like tent stakes in there, and I drilled a small hole and put a 3-inch screw in there to hold that from pulling out. So basically I had to do it, starting from here all the way around. The grass kind of grew over it, but you get the point, to here. So basically that kept my pool pretty level. So you can see over here, that's where I'm at for the water. It's at them squares right at the top. And then this is as far as I'm off, like barely 2 squares. So that's how I did it on a hill. It worked out great. So just make sure you got yourself enough blocks cut, and throw a string level across so that you're level in the center. Fill it. Make sure you got those stakes in so them legs won't pull out or rip out of the things. And it's been up all summer and we've been good and had a bunch of people in it and no issues, no problems. So this is my Intex pool on a hill. How to put it up. If you got any questions or comments, please ask. Also like and subscribe to my video. Thanks, YouTube.